to box Hello Kitty friends. Come on, let's go. They look so cute. They have a little red bow and it has a Karami picture. That looks so cute.
Wow, Natalia, which one do you think you're gonna get inside?
I think the Karami.
Karomi, like your dress, huh?
Yes.
Super cute. I'm so excited to open it. These are the reversible plush surprise Hello Kitty and Friends. All right, let's open.
Yay! So the first one.
I'm so nervous.
Yeah.
I hope we get a cinnamon roll and a
So we're in a
Karomi.
cinnamon outfit. Okay.
Look how
First
cute.
one we're going to open is this.
Oh no.
Oh, look, that is
Look
so
at the
cute,
packaging.
the packaging. Okay.
Who is it? Is that Hello Kitty?
Yes, it's Hello Kitty! Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open her body. I think this is the body. Ah, she's so
Oh my gosh.
She looks so cute.
She's adorable.
Look at her outfit she's wearing.
Wow. I'm so happy we got Hello Kitty. Yay.
Okay, let's open this one. I wonder what this is. It's pretty small. Oh, I think these are her. Look at her tiny shoes. They look so cute.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
So let's set that there. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh, we got some extraction.
Oh, it's a booklet showing you all the characters you can
So
get.
here's the front.
Oh, I really
Here's
hope
the back.
we have to collect them all.
We need to, because we can like use it to play with.
Yes.
Okay. Got this, and that's so let's put her things on. First the clothes. She looks so cute. Look at her outfit, her shoes. It looks so cute.
I love her shoes.
Hello. Okay, let's open the next one. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's open the character first. I wonder what I get. I got... Oh, we got Karami!
Yay! Karomi!
Wow.
Look at her hair.
She looks so cute.
Wow.
Look how cute she is. Hello. Okay, let's put on. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I think these are her shoes. Ooh, her shoes are fancy. They look cute. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, let's open the next thing. They show a cute picture. It looks so cute. Okay, let's
I can't wait to see her
Yeah.
outfit.
Oh, wow. That looks so cute.
Oh my gosh. Yay.
Okay, let's put it on.
Okay, let's put it together.
Look how beautiful it is. She has her Karami shoes and her Karami clothes, and they look so cute together.
Look at her little tail.
They look so beautiful. Let's open the next one. I wonder what we get. Okay. First one, we're going to open the shoes. Ooh, we got these shoes. They look so cute and comfy. Look. Okay, let's open the next one. I think this is the character thing. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, we got it. This is my favorite one, too.
That's your favorite one so far?
And Karami. Like pretty much all of them because they all look cute. Her clothes look so cute. Look. She has little ice cream sparkles on her clothes. Okay, let's open the next one. Okay, we got a character. I think this is the character. Oh,
I love it.
They have
Wow.
a character.
I love her outfit so much.
They're so cute. Look at her hair.
Oh, she has those cute little pigtails.
And she has eyeshadow, yellow.
I love it.
Let's put on the clothes.
Yay.
Look how cute she is. She has her, it looks like raining boots where you wear it when it's raining.
Natalia, what's the name of this one?
Pop Pop Ring.
I love.
She has a hat on her. That looks cute.
I love the hat. Adorable.
Oh, we have a new person in our group. Ew, what is her name? Pop Pop. My name is Pop Pop Ring. Ooh, that's a cool name. I can do a trick. Wow. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's go. Woo. Can I tell you, Suka? You can reverse it and it'll put in the character you pick, like you got. And look, this is it.
Oh my gosh. It's adorable. It's a reversible plush. So you can do the Hello Kitty side, or you can do the other character side, like the Kuromi side.
You can just switch it up if you want to go back to the Hello Kitty.
That is so cool. I love this one. This one's super fun. I'm so happy we got it.
It looks so cool.
All right, Natalia, how many more do we have to collect?
3.
3. Which ones do we need to still collect?
We need Hello Kitty. We need Melody.
Yep, we need My Melody,
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon Roll, and the other one is named Sailor.
Oh, Sailor. That's a cool name.
That is a great
Her
name.
name is right here.
Yeah. So we still have a few more to collect. So you guys, you know what that means? Part 2. Yay! So we are going to be on the hunt to snag the other one so we can record another video for you guys and unbox these super cute reversible plushies.
Thanks for watching my video. Make sure hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.